So Higgsfield is free for the next 24 hours. Now, this is the second campaign they're running. If you guys watched my previous video a few days ago, that was their first campaign where they basically allowed everybody to access their top models completely for free for 24 hours. Now, a bunch of people really took advantage of that. So this time, again, they just started this again. So you have another, I believe, 16 hours right now to take advantage of this. So what I'm going to do is make sure that you guys know how to sign up step by step, because in the last video, I guess some people were getting confused. So I want to show this again to make sure you guys are signing up step by step the correct way, so that way you can take advantage of this, because all of the top models, including Cdance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Nano Banana, Gemini Flash, GPT Image, all of it's available completely for free for you guys to take advantage of this. So let me go ahead and show you step by step how to do this. So first of all, make sure you click in the link description. It's going to bring you somewhere here, right? So as you can see right here, it says $0 for unlimited access for 1 day, all top models, including Cdance 2.0, whatever the timing is, whenever you're watching this video. So it's going to show right here. I think it's running until July 31st. So make sure you take advantage of that. So once you come here, all you have to do is click on a sign up and get your discount, or you can click right here on top to get started. All right, so let's go ahead and sign up for an account. So I'm just going to use Google here. Continue with Google. Obviously, you have to put your credit card in, right? But it is a free trial. So it says right here that try Higgsfield Plus monthly starting 1 day free, and then $59 per month after July 29th. So if you don't want to continue the account, you can just cancel it from before your trial ends. But anyways, go ahead and put your credit card in. I'm going to go ahead and put my credit card in quickly, and then I'm going to click on start trial. All right, perfect. So as you can see, once you click on that start trial and put your credit card in, it says 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. You have 1 day of unlimited generation on all top models. Your trial ends July 29th at whatever time you press this. So again, you have 24 hours as soon as you sign up for this. And then it says, then it auto renews as plus monthly with 7 day unlimited on top models. So let's go ahead and click on continue. So there you go. Now you have access to this 1 day unlimited free trial. And you can basically, when you scroll in the bottom, you'll see that you have 22 models that says currently unlimited. So this is very important. Make sure you're taking a look at the models that you have access to in this plan, because you don't want to just go click on any random model here and then get disappointed, right? So this is very, very important. So these are all the models. So you got Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 Unlimited, GPT-2 Unlimited. These are all images. Of course, these are all image models. And then if we go to the next page, you'll see these are the video models now we're hitting, right? So we're getting Cdance 2.0 Standard Unlimited, 1 day, 720p quality. Cdance 2.0 Fast Unlimited, Cdance 2.0 Mini, Kling V3 Unlimited, Kling 3.0 Mission Control Unlimited, and so on and so forth. So these are all the different models that you have access to. All right, so let's go ahead and now test these out. So in order to double check, so let's go ahead and see a video model, right? So let's say Kling 3.0, right? So what you need to do is go to the top here, go to videos. Let's click on Kling 3.0, which is again one of the top models here. So if you come down to the bottom, you'll see that it says Kling 3.0 Unlimited. However, like you saw earlier, the Kling 3.0, this free version is only for, I believe it's 1080p. So if you go back here, scroll to the bottom, instead of 4K, if you choose to 1080p, there you go. So unlimited mode shows up, right? So if you just toggle this on, now you'll see it generate unlimited and the tokens disappear, which means now it's completely free. So now let's go ahead and test something out, right? So you can either upload an image, you can do start frame, end frame, or you can just basically use your own, kind of text to video there. So let's just go ahead and say a cinematic. So I just said a cinematic shot of a bird flying down to the street from a tall building, right? Something simple. Obviously, you guys can create whatever you want here. So I'm just going to click on Generate Unlimited, so that way I can show you this is actually working and it's free. There you go. So it didn't give me any, option to, oh, you need to upgrade or pay money or anything like that, because it's just, the unlimited. It just means that all of this is currently free. So let's go ahead and let this thing finish. And by the way, I can also create an image, right? So if we go back to our subscription while this is loading, Nano Banana Pro, all of it is included. GPT Image 2 is probably the best image model in the market right now. And you can see up to 2K quality, it's completely free. So let's go ahead and try that. So I'm going to go GPT Image 2. Okay, that's fine. And make sure it's 2K quality. There you go. So the unlimited shows up. So you're going to click on this, make sure it's activated. So I'm just going to go ahead and type a prompt now. So I just said create an image of a yacht in the middle of an ocean, something very simple, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on unlimited now. So now there you go. Now this is working as well, which means again that this unlimited free is properly activated. So it gives you a little heads up. It says unlimited free trial runs at a relaxed pace. You get the full experience with no compromises on quality if you upgrade to the paid plan. So again, totally optional there, but relaxed pace is also pretty fast. So let's see if the previous one got generated. So I'm going to go back to my Kling here. Oh, there you go. So that got generated. Again, this was just a cinematic shot of a bird flying down to the street from a tall building. So let's see what it generated. Not bad, right? It was for 5 seconds. I mean, again, this is nothing too crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is actually free here. So there you go. It generates the voice, right? It followed exactly our prompt. A bird comes from the top of the building, goes down to the street. I mean, the street is pretty realistic with cars in there, right? So obviously you need to make sure that you're giving it proper prompts, right? The bigger or the better prompt, the better the generation is going to be. So make sure you're doing this properly. So let's go ahead and see if the image got generated. So I'm going to go back to my, oops, I'm in the video, GPT-2 image. All right, beautiful. Look at this. Create an image of a yacht in the middle of ocean. That's exactly what it did. Very well done. So I can also obviously turn this into a video. So if I just click on turn to video, now this is going to automatically add this as a reference image to my existing video model that I was choosing, which was our Kling 3.0. And of course, you want to make sure you're changing this to 1080p so that way you can get your unlimited here. And so now if I say, so I just said a beautiful yacht going to the ocean, right? Something very simple again. And I'm attaching this reference image now. So you want to create, let's say you want to create longer than 5 seconds. So I think I have up to 8 seconds here. Yep, there you go. So as soon as you move past 8 seconds, the unlimited disappears. So make sure you're putting 8 seconds. Now I'm going to click on unlimited here, and I'm going to click on generate. Now it's going to take that reference image and it's going to go ahead and create my video. Perfect, right? Usually this costs like quite a bit of tokens. Like if you've used Higgsfield before, you know, this costs quite a bit of tokens, but the fact that this is free is incredible. You can play around with all these great models. Obviously, besides the Kling 3.0, you have access to Gemini Omni Flash, right? So if it says change to 7 seconds for unlimited. So all I have to do is just change to 7 seconds, and now I have unlimited, right? So now you can use this model to you know, do whatever you want here. And then same thing, like I said, if I go back to my account here, manage account, go do subscriptions, just to see which other models I have access to. So there you go. I have access to motion control, Kling 3.0 motion control, WAN 2.7 unlimited. This is another really good model. And then also CDance 2.0 and everything else. Okay, so go ahead and feel free to play around with that. Like I said, this is a great opportunity for people to take advantage of this. I mean, Higgsfield is one of the most popular tools in the market right now. So the fact that they're providing this is a great way for people to test out the different models because they are really powerful. I mean, so this is a great way for you guys to test out and see if you want to perhaps like in the future use this more often. Again, by the way, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield, so thanks to Higgsfield by sponsoring this video. Let me know if you guys have any question in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.